Hi guys, this is Dhananjay here. I am the CEO of MOKSH and it's a very special video that I have got. Our Dr. Mary, who who is one of the most experienced teacher on several subjects on USMLE. Okay, it is a proud moment for MOKSH that now she is there with us for live lectures for the entire 2020 batch of MOKSH. Okay, now I don't need to introduce Dr. Mary. Dr. Mary is one of the most famous professor available for the USMLE students. Okay, she has taught, God only knows, hundreds and hundreds of students successfully for immunology and all, and the guidance of her is absolutely famous for every student. So I welcome Dr. Mary on our platform, MOKSH platform, and it's really an honor to have her. And we are really going to have a very close relationships and the benefits for all the Indian students who are going to learn this, get ready for this step 1 and step 2 CK. Okay, thank you.